baking soda water. The 420 hit the dope, flushing down the toilet. Swag sort of northern, like real ballin'. 6 months lost it, I was back to ballin'. Coca-Cola, baking soda water.